Yes, so my country people out there. Una good day. My name na Obakuni the Entertainer. This news dey come for M28 Entertainment. Today we go dey sama una with the news update wey be say Nigeria as a country using foreign currency. I repeat, Nigeria as a country using foreign currency. Please abeg, if you know say you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, abeg do that now. M28 Entertainment na im be the name. Abeg subscribe and share and like, abeg. Yes, today we go talk about Nigeria as a country using foreign currency. Wetin be the problem wey Nigeria dey face using foreign currency even within the country or outside Nigeria as a country, and wetin our leaders dey do to that issue? Yes, e dey really pain we wey dey outside the country Nigeria, because to even send money go your own country Nigeria through account e no dey go. So today make am the second time wey I don go Pakistan shop wan go do money. They tell me say Nigeria dem no fit send money go Nigeria. Wetin be the problem? Wetin dey cause am? Wetin dey happen for that country Nigeria? Wow, even for this country wey we dey outside Nigeria, the European Union, dem don talk am say Nigeria no get problem as a country, Nigeria no get problem as a citizen. Okay, where the problem come dey pass dey come now? Okay, that one dey one side. Let's go to the money aspect. As you see, this country wey we dey so for outside Nigeria, Europe as a whole, we get ATM machine, different type of ATM machine. We get ATM machine wey be say you fit pay in direct from the machine, you pay into your account and you go fit cash out from that same machine. Our leaders dem no dey travel come this Europe make dem come see how Europe dey live their life or how other Western world dey live their life. Na to dey embezzle money na be the problem. If na lie, make una see this machine. Anything wey una feel, make una see this machine, make una tell me if na lie I dey talk or if na truth. Make una wait. please abeg, if you know say you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, abeg do that now. M28 Entertainment na im be the name. Abeg subscribe and share and like.